Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And I'm going to talk about a simple study which is known as Ichimoku cloud. It's a very simple and a scientific way of looking at the market. It's a very classic indicator which directly is plotted on the price. And this indicator helps you understand where are the crucial supports, what is the overall trend. It helps you to understand from where markets can bounce back, what's going to happen in future to an extent. So lot of information we get by looking at this study of Ichimoku cloud. This is a study which was invented way back, many years back, decades ago, and it's still working fabulously well. So let me very quickly share it across and show you on the chart on what is happening with Nifty index when you apply this study on a daily chart of a Nifty. So this is Ashish Kyal from Wave Strategy Advisors, and this is a Nifty chart, a daily chart of Nifty that shows the various study. Agar ye dekhe, you might think, oh, there is so many things on the chart. No, let me simplify it for you. If you look at this overall movement in terms of red and green color, that's prices. Okay, these are the prices that you are seeing. So ये prices hai, if you are able to see that. And this is what we call as a cloud. This is a green cloud. There is a red cloud here, and you can see a minor red here. This is how the cloud is behaving. And there are other lines also. Right now our focus is you ignore the other lines which you are seeing is the green line, the red line, the blue line, but these can be looked at as a moving average. So like if you understand moving average provides support to the prices or resistance to prices. Similarly, this red and the blue line provides support or resistance to the prices. The most important support that you can see is the cloud. This is the green cloud which I am talking about. This entire movement from here, you can see the entire price action is above the cloud. And look at it, whenever there is a movement towards the cloud, you see that there is a bounce back and recovery. There is a movement towards the cloud, recovery, movement towards just a minor break and sharp recovery. This was the movement, and there was a sharp recovery, and now we are again approaching towards that cloud support. So the cloud acts as a very important support. But what happens when the support breaks? Look at what happened in 2020. Before that crash, there was the support breach when prices decisively moved below the cloud and the cloud turned red in the future. So यहाँ पर अभी फिलहाल फ्यूचर में रेड नहीं हुआ है and prices are still above the cloud. But when that happens, you saw a sharp decline on the downside. So this is a very simple way of trend following. As long as prices stay above the cloud, use dips as a buying opportunity. When it turns back on the downside, that will indicate that the trend is reversing. So 17,200, 17,200, if that breaks, then we know something is changing in the market, and that is also in sync with our time cycle analysis, if you have seen that earlier video of mine. So this is how you can combine this simple technique of cloud theory, which is known as Ichimoku cloud, and derive your positional or swing trades I'm talking about. You can apply this on an hourly chart or a 15-minute chart, and even do an intraday trading by using this simple concept. So बहुत ही easy है. Start applying this concept, do it yourself, and you will see how drastically your accuracy starts increasing once you apply this concept. So these are the techniques which we are going to be discussing a lot more in our upcoming mentorship program starting 20th November, and ensure that you do not miss out such opportunities, because I'm going to reveal the science of how it works and how you can trade extremely well using these simple, brilliant techniques of looking at the market. This is Ashish Kyal here. I'm signing off, but before that, a very quick disclaimer that you can see it here. We are SEBI registered research analysts, and this is purely from educational and learning perspective. My contact detail is here. For any queries, you can get in touch with 99 204 22202, or tweet it across to me at the rate Kailashish. Thank you very much and have a wonderful time. Do apply this technique and share across your learnings and findings with me. I'll be more than happy to help you out in any ways possible. Thank you.